Last Christmas, give you my heart. Very next day. Hi mga kanuta! Welcome sa panibagong guitar tutorial. This is your Kuya Rolly. And a song by Taylor Swift, Last Christmas. So here we go. Alright, sa kantang Last Christmas ni Taylor Swift ay may chord siya na 4. So original niya pag walang kapo, F, D minor, G minor, and C. So ngayon lalagyan natin ng kapo para madali lang. Pangatlong fret, 1, 2, 3. Yan, dito yung kapo. So, magiging D na siya. D, D minor, Eagle minor, yan, and then A, apple. So, ganito lang, napakadali. Ulit-ulit na yung 4 na chords. Last Christmas, give you my heart. Very next day, give it away. Easy is, give it someone special. Let me shine. Get to you then. Alright, so ayun lang po yung chords ng Last Christmas by Taylor Swift. Thank you!